So you have to pay Hakwen. I will put my Hakwen there. I'm in a sunflower place. You pay Hakwen. I already paid. Guess what? No one's tending the place here. Ayan. Ang cute niya. Puro sunflower. Yay! Ayan. Maliit siya. Hi, sunflower! Sunflower, not sunflower. Medyo tuyot na siya. Hi! Golden sunlight. I'm on a sunflower field. Pero alam mo, ano siya, medyo ganun. Mabaho, majoho. Hindi naman ako yun. Kasi nag-shower ako. Ayan siya. Parang ano, medyo tuyot-tuyot na siya. Yes. Instead of strawberry fields, I'm here in a sunflower field. Bye, sunflowers.